Okay, just fit, eyes closed. Check your posture. Spine should be straight, shoulders should be relaxed, hands resting on the knees, facial muscles should be relaxed. And for once, let's check the sounds coming from a distance. It should be like just observe the sounds coming from the distance, not nearby. Close your body sensations and nearby sounds and observe those sounds only. And try to recognize them, but be an observer only. Now close those sounds, observing those sounds, and bring your focus to the sounds very nearby. Maybe around us. It should be like putting your ear on duty to recognize the sounds around you. Let's bring the focus to our breath. Check its entry through the nostrils and how deep it goes in. Next 3 to 4 breaths. Now next 3 breaths, let's try box breathing. 4 count inhale, 6 count exhale. I will count for you and let's start. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, exhale through mouth. Now breathe normally for next few breaths. For once, check your emotions. How are you feeling right now? Maybe you have some thought disturbing you. Maybe you are feeling fresh with morning vibe. Maybe you are very happy with some news. And maybe you have some fear inside you. Just observe your emotion. That what is it? That's all. It's just like observing a cloud in the sky. Okay, let's bring the awareness back. Join the hands in front of your chest. Bow your head down and set an intention for today's workout. Very gently rub your palms and apply the heat generated on your eyes. Open the eyes looking towards the floor in front of you very slowly, and let's come back to the workout. Guys, fitting like this is very important because this is the supreme portion of yoga. I'll tell you over and over again that physical asanas are at the bottom, then breath work comes, like you learn already. There is a box breathing, anulom vilom, and all those things. And on the top, if you want to cultivate maximum out of yoga, is like fitting with yourself. If you want to play some favorite music, not some song, a tune only, and that help you in fitting, it's totally fine. But fit, try to make it a ritual every day. Fit with yourself for 5 minutes, because this one is the most precious person in life. We fit with everybody, we never fit with ourselves. It's better to keep your phone and other gadgets away, even keep your all the duties and responsibilities away, and fit with yourself. If you start fitting after maybe 1 month or maybe little more than that, you will realize its importance. Then there is no need of me telling you that please fit, because you will understand the difference. You will be able to handle your emotions, you will be able to master yourself. It's like that. So yeah, physical workout is very necessary. Working out of this machine and all the joints moving, it's very important, but topmost is fitting with yourself. Okay, let's start. We will start with neck rolls today. So exhale, tuck the chin, inhale, take it back. Only 3 rounds. Do it with your breath. Exhale, bring it forward. Inhale. One last round. Exhale. Inhale. Come to the center. Now exhale, right ear to right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, left side. Inhale, center. One last round. Okay, come to the center. Now on inhale, go back, turn your head back. On exhale, come to the center and inhale, other side, come to the center. Second round. Third round. Okay, release very gently, and next is circle. So exhale, while inhale, go back from right side, and exhaling, come front from left side. One round. Let's do 3. Remember, while exhaling, go back, and on inhale, come front. 3 rounds are done. Once take the head up, again exhale, go down and reverse direction. Release, and we are done with the neck rolls. Now come to shoulders. Okay, inhale, take them front and up. Exhale, back and down. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it 6 times. 4, 5, 6. Okay, reverse. Inhale, take back, up, front, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. Now we will shrug the shoulders. On exhale, take them up, squeeze them, and relax. Let's do it 3 times, 2 times more. Hold, release. Again up, keep squeezing and release. Relax. Now both the arms to the sides and just rotate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep pulling hands towards you. Don't straight them. It's like this. Yeah. Last 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Here and now next is taking both the hands in front of you and inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Make a fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open the palms. Touch them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Touch and now roll again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release. There is no need to reverse. We are already done. And now from here, exhale. Touch your right shoulder with your left knee. Yeah, don't worry. Go wherever you can go. Okay. Now take this to here. Yeah, with time, with practicing yoga, your body will give you more space and you will be able. For the time being, just reach wherever you can. Okay? Yeah. 2, let's do 6. On exhale, go down. On inhale, come up. 3, 4, 5. Very good. Last one. Very nice. Yeah. Release. Relax. Now let's come to butterfly. Most favorite. I think everybody is comfortable with butterfly. Butterfly is the posture for people who have problems related to PCS, PCOD, maybe fertility issues, and all these issues. Like this is the most easiest and good posture that will help everybody, and everybody can do it without any much instructions from some doctor or something like that, because it's easy and it creates that vibration in your pelvic area. Now close your eyes, keep flipping your knees, observe your breath and your pelvic floor muscles. Okay, release. And now from here, let's try to move forward wherever you can go. Yeah. Yes, yeah, it's okay, totally fine, guys. Now travel to your left side. Yeah, very nice. And let's come back to right side. Let's go to left side. We will take 3 rounds. Everybody reached left? Yeah. Let's go to right side. Very nice. Let's go back. Let's go to right side. Come to the center and move back. Hope the journey was good. And let's move for next rocking the baby pose, Shishupalasana. Take your right leg up and place outer arc of your right foot in left elbow bend and hold it like this and travel left to right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Do it little bit with more motion. Like then baby will be okay. It will feel happy. Last 5, 4, 3. Try spine can be straight and release. Come to the center. Take the other leg up. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's move further. Turn your one side. Now it's toes. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Squint them, hold. It's like put some pressure and hold. And inhale, release. Now extend and hold. Yeah, and relax. Now inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, extend them and make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax little bit, just a little bit. And now I want you to take your right leg up and hold here. Knee straight. Try to be, that knee should be straight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Left leg. 10, 9. Those who are very strong, leave your hands. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, relax. Very nice, very, very nice. Yeah, now take the right thigh. Inhale up, toe should be pointed. Exhale down. Inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Toe pointed, knee locked. Try if spine can be straight. Chest out. Look towards your big toe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Take other leg. Inhale straight, toe pointed, exhale down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and hold. Knee locked, spine straight, chest out. Keep pulling the leg towards your chest. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good, very nice. Let's make some circles. You can shake the legs. Yeah. Hold right one again and make a circle in outward direction. 10, 9, 8. Circle should be flow round and with your big toe. Last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Take the other leg and outward direction. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Shake the legs and relax. Now next one is, I want you to take your right leg up, place it outside the mat and again take it back. Now left leg out, left leg in. This is 1, right, left, 2, 3, left, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it properly up, then take it out, then place it. Yeah, good. Yeah. Later, if you practice at home, you can place a bottle or some utensil here. Yeah. Last 3. Your body should be your wisest child, listening to you. If you are asking your leg to go up, it should go up. Okay, it's like that. Relax, relax, guys. And let's do little bit of butterfly again. Eyes closed, spine straight. Okay, now again come to one side. Now we are here in this position. Take your right foot, everybody, place it outside the left knee. Yeah, right hand, this leg, bend leg hand on the back, and tuck your this elbow, straight leg side elbow here, and twist. Look back. Yes, everybody. Yeah. Look back as you can. Hold in the twist. Keep twisting. Keep pushing your knee with your elbow. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, look front and then release. Very good. Now again follow properly. Bend other leg. Place the foot outside the knee. Take the hand of bend leg side on the back and other hand straight leg side. Tuck your elbow and look back. Close your eyes here in the twist. Keep twisting and breathe. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now look front and release. Next is forward bending. So inhale, raise your both the arms up, extend your body up, create space, lengthen the spine, and now hinge from your hips. Okay, keep the spine straight and go down, 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 and hold wherever you reach. Yeah, very good, guys. Okay, and stay in the posture, close your eyes and stay here for 8, 10, 12 breath. Inhale, okay, and exhale. Try hold your big toes. Yeah, very good. And yeah, now stay here. Stay in the stretch. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Try deep inhale, longer exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very gently come up. Very nice. Yeah. And now from here we will hold in boat pose. Okay. This is the boat pose. Let's work on our core also. Strengthening the core is equally important. Very nice. Those who can, close your eyes, stay in the posture and breathe. If it is not possible, it's okay. Keep the eyes open. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Very good. You know, it's advanced holding and you guys can do it. It is like, it's not like you are now beginners. Okay, now take your right leg and bend it, hug it. Breathe. 3 breaths. Change the leg. Okay, straight it and this time take both the legs. Okay, now from here simply straight the legs up and hold. Okay, you can hold them with your hands also. Try, if possible, your lower back should be touching the mat. Okay, and hold in this posture. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knees and let's relax the lower back. Massage it, rotate it around. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax. Now figure 4 stretch. Right ankle on left knee, holding the left shin bone and pull it towards your chest. Close your eyes. Hold and breathe. Okay, release. Change the leg. Left ankle on right knee and holding the right shin. Those who are very comfortable in figure 4 stretch, you can try one thing. Try to touch your lower back on the mat. Okay, release. Next is spinal twist. Both the hands on the sides, feet mat width apart. Drop your knees to the left Look towards your right palm. Close your eyes and stay 3 breaths. Okay, come to the center. And now drop the knees to the right and look towards your left palm. Release. And now left happy baby pose and swing side to side. Three breath. Okay, now release. Let's move to Shavasana. Legs straight, relaxed. Hands resting on the side of your body, palms facing upward. Relax your shoulders, your whole body. Melt yourself into the mat. Whisper to yourself that I am not holding anything. I release everything to the Mother Earth. Focus on your breath and tell yourself, I am safe, I am at peace. I am in the lap of Mother Earth and I am the safest person here. Let's bring the awareness back. Move your toes, move your fingers, turn your head to the right, now to the left. Take your feet together, interlock your fingers above head and stretch in Supta Tadasana. Bend your knees and turn to one side, any preferable side. Taking palms under your head, stay here. One breath. Now taking support of the mat, come to seated posture. Let's start Anulom Vilom here. Left hand in Gyan Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra. And start by exhaling through left nostril. Keep your focus on your breath. Release by exhaling through left nostril and sit straight with both hands in Gyan Mudra. Observe your breath. Very gently bring your palms in front of your chest, Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down and thank your body for cooperating in last 1 hour, for showing up on the mat. Rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes. Once again, rub your palms. Apply it on your scalp, arms, back, legs, chest, and hug yourself. Hug tightly. Turn to your right, left 2 to 3 times. Releasing all the stiffness if there is any. Extending the arms above head and taking them down. Very gently open the eyes, looking towards the floor in front of you. Welcome back. Session is over.